Thank you for tuning in to MacroView Television, and welcome to a brand new edition of the Taiwan Outlook. I'm your host, Wu Ruiguo. We all know that economic development and environmental protection are two very important policy objectives for any country around the world, and Taiwan is no exception. On today's program, we're delighted to have Mr. Bernard PARRENIN, who's the General Manager of Dassault Systemes in Taiwan, to talk about the kinds of services that his company provides in terms of environmental protection. Welcome to the program, Mr. PARRENIN.
Thanks very much for your invitation.
Yes.
I'm very pleased to join this event.
Yes, well, it's a delight to have you here, Mr. PARRENIN. And Bernard, if I may start off by asking you that, would you please brief us, the viewers watching our program, about the kinds of services that your company provides in Taiwan?
Yeah. Let me introduce quickly who is
Dassault
Systems.
Please.
Dassault Systems is a worldwide company.
Yes.
We are based in the three main continents.
Okay.
Europe,
America.
US, America,
yes,
and Asia.
Asia, yes.
For sure. Mm-hmm. We split about the revenue about one-third.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Good.
The revenue of the company is $2 billion US.
$2 billion a year. Okay.
Okay. And we are about 8,000 people.
Okay.
25% of the revenue is invest in R&D. That means we've got a big team of R&D, and we want to innovate.
Okay, good.
Okay? Mm-hmm. So this is the size of the company.
Okay, the structure.
Structure of the company, yes.
Good. And the kinds of services that your company provides in the three different continents, can you also give us an overview?
Yes, we give the same service on
everywhere.
Everywhere.
Okay.
Good. Our company is a world leader in 3D and PLM.
Oh, okay.
Our company led the company to make business by creating products.
Okay, trading product.
Creating products.
Okay.
They can simulate
the
products.
Okay.
They can also simulate the processes.
Okay, good.
And they can simulate the resource. What I mean by resource? The resource is the manufacturing.
Okay.
When you need to make the product, you need some resourse. It could be people, but it could be machine.
Yes.
So we can simulate
materials. Yes.
Or materials.
Yeah.
So we can simulate all of these things.
Okay.
In 3D.
In 3D.
That's right. Okay.
So you let the companies know if they go into production of this product, what would they need and what kinds of process kinds of problems they may have in 3D before they actually go into it.
Exactly.
Okay, good.
To save some costs.
Okay, good.
So to do that, what happened? In fact, the company will be able, before to produce, which is a cost when you produce
of course
a part.
Okay.
They can try to make some simulation in virtual.
Okay.
So 3D will let the people to see the product.
Okay.
To test it.
Okay.
Before the production.
Okay.
The Dassault vision is to enable the people.
All right.
Even if you are not talking my language, that means enable the people, whatever is your language, whatever is your culture.
Okay.
Be able to create.
Okay.
To share.
To share.
Okay. And we call that experience.
Okay.
The products in virtual, in 3D.
Okay. So they will know exactly if they go into the production of this product, with the kinds of problems, the kinds of process they need to go through, and in case, for example, if they're going to produce, for example, this pen, and they contract your company, and you provide your 3D solution to them, and they say, oh, in the production of this pen, we're going to have this problem with the materials, this problem with the electricity, this problem with the environmental protection. What would you do? Would you recommend some solutions to resolve those problems?
So our company will provide the solution to make the analysis.
Oh, okay.
We will not provide the way to solve, because this is the knowledge of the company. When you are doing mobile phone, you've got the knowledge. But I've got the knowledge to give you one solution. What is one solution? Is the software and the services. To be able to create the product in virtual, to be able to simulate the product. Then if you find some issue, I will not solve it for you because it's your knowledge.
Yeah.
Okay.
But probably sometimes involve trade secrets.
Yes. Also an IP.
Okay. Yes.
An IP.
Intellectual property.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is 3D.
Okay.
Now PLM.
Okay.
What is PLM?
PLM.
We call that product life cycle management.
Okay.
That means we will, with PLM, it's a solution to manage the life of the product.
Okay, for the entire duration.
Yes,
okay.
An entire company.
Okay.
PLM will bring, we call that collaboration platform.
Oh, okay, collaboration.
When you make a product and you sell very well my software, by the way.
Yes.
When you make a product, you have to share the information across all your company.
Yeah, different components.
Yes, different components and different departments.
Yes.
Okay. So to share this product, you need a platform.
Of course.
Okay. So we will provide for you the platform to be able to share this information across all your company.
Yeah. So everybody who's involved in the creation and the production of this product will know exactly what to expect when the company goes into production of it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Even when you are going production, but it could be before that.
Okay.
I will give you an example because I think we need to explain a little bit more.
Okay, please.
What we are doing exactly. If you take this product, it's a Taiwanese product.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so it's easy.
Very well made in Taiwan.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Yes.
When you start to think about this product, because we need to start from the beginning. The beginning is what?
Of course.
Is for us. We will start from the consumer.
Yes. User-friendly. Yes.
User-friendly, but we will start from the consumer to get the ID.
Yes.
To start the creation.
Yes.
So we will interact with the consumer first.
Oh, okay.
Then this interaction will bring, we call that specification.
Of course.
We need to specify the product before to build it. To be sure that at the end, your product will fit with the need of the market.
Of course.
Okay? So first step, we will start to work about the specification. As soon as we've got the specification, we will start to make some design.
Yes.
How it will look like.
Okay.
Okay.
When you put it all together.
Yes, like we will design the outside
cover,
form, the cover.
The exterior.
Then what we will do with our technology, we can send. I can send to some friend.
Okay.
How it looks like.
Okay.
On the web.
Okay.
Then we can discuss together.
Yeah, get the feedback.
Get the feedback. Okay. Involve the people in the creation.
Okay.
But you know what is very important is that when we share the information, I will not send to you the IP.
No.
Because it's my IP.
Yeah.
It's my creation. It's not yours. Okay,
no.
You can make some comment, but it's my creation.
Of course.
I want to keep it.
Yes.
Okay. So we can manage that.
Yes.
Then when I've got all the feedback from different people, okay, I can start to make it.
Yes.
When I say to build it.
Yes.
Because this is done by a top cover, bottom cover, and electronic inside.
Of course.
So I will start to really build it. Really.
Put it all together.
Put all together. Then what happened at this time? At this time, I will involve different domain. We call that domain.
Okay.
Because in the phone, you've got a camera,
yes.
you've got electronic, you've got mechanic.
Yes.
Okay. That means I will involve different domain. But you know, in Taiwan, all the company,
yes.
now they don't have anymore only one site. They are not only involved in Taiwan.
No.
They need to be involved China.
Of course.
They need to involve sometimes Japan, Europe, US.
Of course.
They have to share.
Yes.
Because the electronic can come from other places.
Yes.
How you will manage that? We need to have this platform to be able to share across the world exactly what happened with all my components.
Of course. Okay.
Because maybe one component will involve.
Of course.
I will have, we call that different version. Okay. But I need to be sure that if I make a change, at the same time you are working maybe in US.
Yes.
Is your change will fit with my change?
That's right.
So in our technology, we can involve different teams simultaneously.
Okay.
In different locations.
Of course.
And we will share the same information.
Same product.
Same product, only in one place. We will not duplicate. As soon as you duplicate, it's the old technology.
Okay.
As soon as you duplicate, you cannot. It's very difficult to manage the version.
Okay. Mr. PARRENIN, how long has Dassault Systems been in Taiwan?
Dassault Systems has been created in Taiwan in 2006.
Okay, so
before 2006,
okay,
we were selling the product with IBM.
Okay.
In Taiwan.
Okay.
And from 2006, we
came up.
Yes, we came up to help the
okay.
the company in Taiwan.
During the past 4 years since Dassault Systems being in Taiwan, and can you share with us a concrete example of how a Taiwanese company or some other companies in Taiwan have used your technology in terms of whether it's 3D or POM in terms of facilitating their production process?
Yes, sure. What you need to know is that in Taiwan and in any location, when you want to start some we call PLM projects, okay, when you want to make a product, a complex product,
okay,
that means you need for sure to involve a solution.
Yes.
And when I mean solution, I told you it's software and services.
Yes.
So we will involve some service, some technical people,
yes, to
help you to deploy this solution.
Okay.
Based on our, I will say, big customer, or I will say worldwide customer, because we are working with customers like Boeing, like Airbus, Toyota.
Yes.
We will capitalize
okay.
the knowledge that we will acquire with them, we will develop with them. Then based on that, we will develop and we will say customize our software and some service to some specific industry in Taiwan.
Okay, good.
And this specific service and customized software, we develop them based on 11 industry.
Okay.
For these 11 industry, we develop what we call best practice.
Okay, best practice.
Yes, the best practice is the best things that we can get from many places.
Okay, good. Okay.
Then from that, we will help the local company to speed up the transfer, to speed up also the deployment. And this will increase the ROI.
Of course.
ROI means return on investment.
Of course. Okay. Yes, and also cut their cost, avoid making the same mistakes that others might have made in the past.
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
exactly.
Good. Thank you very much for that overview about Dassault Systems, about the kinds of services that your company provides. And we're going to take another short break on Taiwan Outlook. We'll be back in 3 minutes, and we'll continue this conversation with Mr. Bernard PARRENIN, who's the General Manager of Dassault Systems in Taiwan. I'll see you in a bit.